Hello and welcome to Maths Explained with KJN Tutoring. Today we are looking at multiplying and dividing a number by 10 and 100, but with a main focus on division. I hope you find this video useful. In this video we will be looking at and exploring what happens to each of the digits when we divide by 10 and 100. You will need a place value chart and some digit cards. On the place value chart, like the one I have drawn, you will see that there are different letters which stand for different things. We have our decimal point, which is in the middle. To the left of the decimal point we have our whole numbers, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. To the right of the decimal point we have our decimal numbers, our tenths, hundreds and thousands. If you don't have your own digit cards, then you can make your own using a piece of paper. Cut the piece of paper up into small squares, and on each of the squares write one digit separately. 1 all the way to 9, and then some zeros, which are also known as placeholders. I am going to work out the calculation 40 divided by 10. 40 has got 4 tens and 0 ones. Because the number 10 has got 1 0 or 1 placeholder, that means we have to move both digits one place to the right. The 4 is now in our ones column, and our 0 or our placeholder is now in the tenths column. We no longer need this placeholder, so we take it away. We are left with the number 4. So 40 divided by 10 equals 4. I am going to work out the calculation 400 divided by 100. 400 has got 4 hundreds, 0 tens and 0 ones. Because 100 has got 2 zeros or 2 placeholders, that means we have to move all of the digits 2 places to the right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The 4 is now in the ones column. One of our placeholders is in the tenths column, and the other placeholder is in the hundreds column. We no longer need these placeholders, so we take them away. And we are left with the number 4. So 400 divided by 100 equals 4. I am going to work out the calculation 350 divided by 10. 350 has got 3 hundreds, 5 tens and 0 ones. Because the number 10 has got 1 0 or 1 placeholder, that means we have to move all of the digits one place to the right. The 3 is now in the tens column, the 5 is in the ones column, and the 0 or the placeholder is in the tenths column. We no longer need this 0 or placeholder, so we take it away. And we are left with 35. So 350 divided by 10 equals 35. I am going to work out the calculation 3,500 divided by 100. 3,500 has got 3 thousands, 5 hundreds, 0 tens and 0 ones. Because 100 has got 2 zeros or 2 placeholders, that means we have to move all of the digits 2 places to the right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The 3 is now in the tens column, the 5 is in the ones column, we have got one of the placeholders in the tenths column and the other one in the hundreds column. We no longer need these zeros or placeholders, so we take them away. And we are left with 35. So 3,500 divided by 100 equals 35. Thank you for joining in with Maths Explained with KJN Tutoring. I hope you found this video useful and I look forward to helping you with your maths again very soon. Take care and stay safe. Bye!